Do you think these classes help you feel healthier?
Yeah, that's good. Yes. I think
Like
I
more
was really
energy?
encouraged
Yeah, okay.
after I eat or come to these classes to eat more healthier and be really, really healthy, because they give you loads of energy and they give you loads of tips to cook in a really healthy way that's not really, really boring.
And do you think it helps other people like learn more about vegan food? Like, you don't have any misconceptions?
Yeah, definitely. I do think one of the misconceptions is just that you can eat tasty food that is vegan.
Yeah.
I think just by eating this food, I feel like you realise that you feel better and you have loads of energy, and there's just like loads of random shit or like food that you've probably never even thought of that's actually really accessible and easy to get.
Like, so what's an example of a meal that you thought was really like, I don't know, different, but then realised afterwards, it's really easy?
I think salads are always a really good one.
Yeah.
Because you always think that they're going to be like really not very filling at all.
Yeah.
You can make like quinoa salad with like really healthy dressings that's tasty and filling and has loads of protein.
Yeah.
And all the things you want from a meal, but leaving you with loads of energy, and it's really healthy.
So would you like recommend? Who would you recommend it to, and would you want it to be funded by the NHS?
Yeah, I think I'd recommend it to pretty much anyone. I think you don't have to come here with a view of like, I have to go vegan after this.
Yeah.
It's just a good way to eat healthy and eat more fruits and vegetables, which everyone agrees is a thing that everyone should be doing. And so there's such an NHS drive at the moment to try and eat healthier and to eat more fruits and vegetables and to get more fibre in your diet. This is like such a great way to encourage people to do that and ultimately benefit NHS, so they should fund it.
Awesome. Okay.
Yay!